It's brutal out there. Founders sweat blood, pouring years into ideas that investors barely nod at. Investors, they're drowning in pitches, desperate for that one gem that's worth shattering their comfort zones for. Professionals and leaders, chained to old ways, struggling to see beyond their narrow circles, missing the explosive power that real connection brings. Everyone's chasing better valuations, better deals, better futures, but stuck repeating miserable cycles, watching potential slip through fingers like sand. That gnawing frustration, it's real, it's raw. It's the fuel that's either going to burn you out or ignite you into something unstoppable. Here's the savage truth. No fluff. The classic startup investor dance is broken, not because the players fail, but because the system traps them in isolation, pretending synergy is just a buzzword, not the lifeblood of growth. The sickest part? Most think valuations depend solely on traction, team, or some vague market potential. But they miss the secret weapon hiding right under their noses. The syndicate, the tight web of partners, investors, builders who don't just throw money, but move as one. Syndicate dynamics don't just improve valuations, they can explode them. By mastering these dynamics, you become the storm others tremble before. So first, stop wasting time pitching blind. Build alliances that challenge complacency. Find those rare few who see the future like you do. Form syndicates, not just by pooling cash, but through relentless shared commitment, where every member brings irreplaceable insight, muscle, and courage. Demand obsession with alignment. If your partners don't challenge your thinking, don't raise your game, don't have skin in the fight beyond the spreadsheet, they are dead weight dragging your valuation down. Say no. Harden your circle until it becomes a razor-edge machine where every node sparks value. Next, use syndicate power to rewrite your narrative. Investors buy stories, sure, but what they crave is proof that your network fuels exponential growth and resilience. Show them a syndicate that delivers more than checks, one that solves brutal problems together, accelerates hiring, ignites go-to-market breakthroughs, and unlocks relentlessly aligned follow-on capital. When you paint that picture, valuations don't inch forward. They explode. They buy the power of your collective, not just your solo sweat. And here's the brutal kicker. Value creation through syndicates demands savage honesty. Tear down illusions. Call out misalignments. Kill weak links fast. A syndicate is not a kumbaya campfire. It's a battlefield where only ruthless clarity and commitment survive. That unbearable tension you feel inside? Use it. Push it into alliances that force you up, force others to rise or fall apart. The personal pain? That's the birth pang of true transformation. Keep this ruthless, underestimated truth front and center. Your valuation is a living organism shaped not just by your startup's sales or technology, but by the quality of your syndicate's heartbeat. Investors pay vastly more for a united front of driven partners, wired for war and victory, than for shiny slides and empty promises. Want to transcend mediocre outcomes? Then build syndicates that border on obsession with synergy, accountability, and shared destiny. This exact strategy fractures old illusions, transcends geographic borders and stale roles, and smashes through the choking grip of isolation. It flips the script on who holds power and who controls capital. When founders, investors, and partners move as one, valuations aren't just numbers. They're explosives. They shatter expectations, raise the ceiling of possibility. They unlock a future built by the few who dare to rewrite the rules. So hear this. Stop begging for good terms. Stop worshipping convenience or tradition. Hunt relentlessly for your syndicate, your fierce network of partners who refuse to settle. Mold it, sharpen it. Demand fire, vision, and brutal honesty every single day. That's how you seize control, elevate valuations beyond any spreadsheet, and build a legacy untouchable by the tired illusions of the past. This path isn't comfortable. It's not for cowards, but it is for those burning with the fire to break free, those ready to collapse borders, dismantle mediocrity, and unleash the true power of aligned humanity. Will you make the syndicate your weapon, your fortress, your launchpad? Or will you stay stuck in the loneliness where value dies slow? The choice is savage, the stakes brutal, and now is the time to act like everything depends on it, because it does.